So I bought the Rain-X Pro graphene detailer. I, in the beginning of this video, did not talk, but I did show the product and all that fun stuff. It's one I keep in my car. Well, decided to keep in my car because I wanted something to keep in there that was going to be decent enough to at least get off some minor fingerprints from when I get gas, or when you know, I just need to remove some little bit of whatever's. I went to a touchless place and had my car sprayed down because we've had a ton of rain. And I also wanted to test this product in direct sunlight on a hot car. I wanted to see what would happen. So, upon doing so, it's not very hard to remove in direct sunlight on a hot car. You get to put a little bit more effort, like on the hood, especially if you just drove it and washed it. Other than that, I mean, it wasn't too bad. The product itself is really nice. It smells nice. It's got it's supposed to have like all these hydrophobic properties and all of that stuff. Yeah, I'm terrible. I put things back and never take them out to fully talk about them. But I also wanted to see what it would be like with anti-static properties. So I drove about, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes after applying this in direct sunlight. I did notice that putting it on glass, it left streaky stuff, and that took a little bit to take off, especially on the back windshield. It's kind of hazy looking out from the inside. You could probably see it in the video here, but in person it doesn't look like that. It looks more like this. And then when I come over here, you see that haze, like, and that's just from the light. Yeah, so I figured I would show more in depth how this would work, like say on rims. I just got a ton of overspray on my tires from retesting out the intense graphene tire shine from Black Magic. I figured out how to actually use that thing. You have to spray really hard. So let's see how this works. And these rims are, you know, OEM, but they're painted differently. I don't really know, but for the bottle, you know, you spray it on, and as you can see, it has a little bit of blackness to it, which is a good sign. But at the same time, it's supposed to be blacker, from what, you know, I've been hearing and stuff from other detailers when it comes to graphene products. And it's supposed to, yeah, the graphene is black. It's a different product I don't know a whole lot about, or ingredient additive, I don't really know. I guess it's kind of like SiO2, or works well with SiO2, but graphene is still new. There's still a lot of testings that companies are doing and stuff like that. So if you're thinking of getting like a graphene coating, I would check out Pan the Organizer's channel on YouTube and listen to his review on a graphene ceramic coating, because even he knows that it's still in the beginning processes and stages of becoming something. And a lot of companies are trying to incorporate graphene, and they're either incorporating it or they're trying to use straight out, just all around graphene to replace SiO2, which I don't know if that would actually happen. in my opinion, because SiO2 is a really good product. It's a really good thing to have in a chemical, because it has really good hydrophobic properties. It has awesome durability, and it has really great beating for vehicles, especially if you have a nicer car. Ignore my 245,000 mile car. Yeah, I drive a lot. That's how I get all these reviews for 70 miles a day. But this is what it's like when you put it on. My rims, touchless car wash, of course it's not gonna do much, but I'm not letting brushes touch my car. So yeah, like I said, it's very easy to use, user friendly. It smells nice. It doesn't have a chemical odor to it. It was like 15 bucks at Walmart. I mean, the gloss that you get from it is it's kind of a wet look, but it's also a it's got hydro slickness and hydrophobicity and shine. Okay, yeah, take that how you want. A grain of salt, shot of penicillin, or just whatever. Enhances gloss, extreme hydro shit. Lubricity, protect against water spots, environmental elements, chemical contaminants. Safe for all exterior surfaces, paint, chrome, glass, metal, and plastics. Suitable for both wet and dry surfaces. So this is actually, and when I did use this on the car, if you watched in the beginning, I did use it on wet paint. And I have the Renex Pro ceramics or graphene wax, ceramic graphene wax stuff on the paint already, and I just use this to kind of maintain it. And I only ever use detailers when the car is clean. Sometimes there's some dirt residue left over from washing, or because nobody's perfect. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching. And maybe I can post up another video soon of the hydrophobic properties of this and how well it sheets off, if at all. Yeah, take care, you guys.